How to download Call of Duty Warzone on your PC. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to look at how you can easily download Call of Duty Warzone on your PC. Go to your web browser and simply search for Call of Duty Warzone, and you can just go ahead and click on the first link over here. Now you can log in with either your Xbox account, Windows, PlayStation, or Steam to get your Warzone. You can get it on any of these platforms. I'll show you how to get it on Steam. So go ahead and click on Steam over here. And then you're going to have to download Steam application over to your device. So what you can do is just go ahead and install Steam, click on it. It will download the installation file, click on install Steam again. And then you should find the installation file onto your PC. Open the installation file and it's going to open up the application. Now you're going to have to do a simple login, which I've already done over here. Now all I have to do is go to the search and then simply search for Call of Duty Warzone. And you'll find the Warzone over here. It's completely free. Tap on it, and then you can just select your date of birth. Click on View Page. And once you click on View Page, it's going to take you to the game info. And once that is done, you basically have to add it to your library. Scroll down here, you'll find the free option. Go ahead and click on Play Game. And now it's going to just go ahead and ask you to install directly. But before that, you're going to have to add it to your library. I'll just go to the library section right over here, click on it, and then you'll find the game over here. Click on this download button, and then it's going to ask you to download. Just select where you want to download it, change the installation location, and you'll be good to go. That's basically how you download Call of Duty Warzone on a PC. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.